Morning, y'all. Welcome back to Captain Cook of RC. Got the mt8 out, and I'm here exploring this new little site I just found, just off the freeway. It's real nice, sandy-like substrate. Got some sand piles here. I mean, it looks like it could be some fun. So I figured I'd stop here, explore. I did bring the jumps. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the jump today, but we'll see. I just wanted to come over here, try it out, see what this place is like. I mean, we're right next to another big old construction site right over here too. At the moment, I'm not going to go into that construction site. Since this spot is open right here, I'm going to use this spot as a feeler gauge, a temperature gauge, so to say. Being this close to the site, they're obviously using the site. They have equipment right here. They have product right here that they use for their stuff. So if they don't want me around here when they're not working, and clearly if you look right there, you can see the security trailer. So you can see if they don't want me here, they'll chase me out. And this is kind of a good move to do if you're ever trying to feel out the way people will react to you at construction sites. This is the way to go about it. Early morning, make sure the sun's up, be in plain sight, stay away from equipment, and be respectful, you know? And you should have relatively good luck. At least I typically do. All right, well, let's get this car fired up. Have a little bit of fun, y'all. Okay, parking there is not going to be a great idea, I don't think. I'm more worried about the vehicle than I am the RC toy. Whoa! Yee! Man, this mt8 flies nice, y'all. Oh! Right on the wing. That's what that was. Hit a big old boulder again. And here's another piece of advice. Do a walk around. When you first get here, you plan out where you're driving at, do a walk around. Look for boulders. This thing will stop your, if you don't have an mt8, or say you have an mt8 and you haven't done all these Red Cat upgrade parts and the Arma parts, like I've done to mine to make it as durable as it is, that would end your day. If you have a Creighton, an Outcast, that could possibly end your day. Oh, stuck the double, but stuck it in the sand, yo. Oh. Alright, let's get back to sending her, y'all. God, I love this truck, you guys. I cannot get enough of my truck, of this mt8. Ooh, I barely saved that. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, I did it again. Oh, knocked the motor wire loose too. But this car's fine. It's gonna take it. I didn't cause any more damage than was already there. Broke that even more than it was, but that's fine. Where's the motor wire that came undone? 1, 2. Okay. And you're probably wondering why I haven't shrink wrapped those yet. Like I said I was going to do in one of the past videos. I haven't done it yet because I'm still trying to decide if I want to keep this motor in it or if I want to put the Spectrum motor back in it. Or I'm contemplating on getting one of those Hobby Star Rocket 4092 2200 kV motors, the long can big box. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet, but that's kind of my plans, or what I'm thinking about as far as plans with this car goes. I'm going to keep it on 4S. I'm going to keep running a 2200 kV motor in it. Because, I mean, look at this, y'all. Look. Oh, shit. I've never had that happen before. Oh, this is fun. Now I'm getting some real good air off this thing and landing like an asshole. Oh man. Yeah, nothing major. It undid the Velcro straps. It probably did it on that very last jump I did when the motor came undone. It probably did it then and I didn't notice. I'm not worried about it. Clearly nothing's wrong with it. This thing is an absolute tank and it'll take all of this abuse. It'll take it. But you guys, once you get this thing ripping, and look at these hits it's taking. It's taking all of these hits and falls and just, it keeps going. It's asking for more. Keep braking too early. I was able to save that one. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end it on that today. You guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you guys enjoy my content. I'd really appreciate it. It helps me get deeper into the algorithm. And again, I'm just here to demonstrate how great the mt8 truly is. This thing is hands down my favorite truck in my fleet right now. Hands down. Hands down, it's my favorite truck. Also my most reliable truck. Also my most durable truck. You guys can tell I can go on and on and on about this truck. It clearly isn't my Arma. Clearly. Hey, alright you guys, thanks for watching. Do all that fun stuff us YouTubers appreciate you guys do. Hitting the like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you guys got any questions, hit them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I can. And that does it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Captain Could've, over and out, y'all.